नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा. There are three types of fail verbs in Arabic language: al-fail al-mudari, present tense fail, al-fail al-madi, past tense fail, and the third is fail al-amr, the commanding fail al-nahi, the forbidding fail. Fail al-amr and fail al-nahi are grouped together with fail al-amr because both of these types of verbs are constructed using al-fail al-mudari as a frame, which is why they are usually studied alongside with al-fail al-mudari. When it comes to commanding and forbidding, we are concerned only with the second person pronoun from anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, because you cannot command or forbid yourself first person or someone who is not present third person. Forbidding fail and nahi, we will begin by learning how to construct an-nahi. Follow a three-step process. Begin with your fail in second person mudari form and make sure the pronoun matches with the one being forbidden. Put the fail in lightest form. Put Allah in front of the fail. If you wanted to command Maryam not to help, for instance, you would follow this process. Start off with a normal second person tansurina. Make lightest tansuri. Put la in front of the fail. La tansuri. How to recognize fail nahi? In order for a fail to be fail nahi, look for two things. La, a fail that is lightest. La can be used to negate fail al-mudari, present tense, as well as to forbid. If the fail following the la is not in lightest form, it is negation, not forbidding. Negation differs from forbidding in that it is simple statement of a fact or an observation, whereas fail al-nahi demands action from the listener by forbidding. La tansuri, for example, is in the forbidding form because it is lightest. It translates as don't help. Compare this to la tansurina, which is not lightest. It is negative statement that translates as you don't help. Both occur frequently in Quran. So learning how to distinguish between them is important. X should not Y. Recall that it is not possible to directly forbid someone who is not present. It is, however, possible to say someone should not do something. This is what is known as indirect forbidding or third person forbidding. Huwa la yansur, he should not help. Huma la yansura, they should not help. Hum la yansuru, they should not help. Hiya la tansur, she should not help. Huma la tansura, they should not help. Hunna la yansurna, they should not help. Remember to look for an outside file if one being forbidden is not a pronoun. La yattakhidil mu'minuna al-kafirina awliya. The believers should not take the disbelievers as friends. Fala yahzunka kufruhu. His disbelief should not sadden you. Commanding fail al-amr. Use the following process to construct a command. Begin with your fail in second person mudare form and make sure that the pronoun matches with the one being commanded. Put the fail in lightest form. Remove the ta, the first letter of the fail. If the new first letter after removing the ta has a sukoon on it, then it is impossible to pronounce. So the following steps must be taken in order to make pronounceable. Add a helper alif to the front of the word. Put a haraka on a helper alif. If the second to the last letter on the hoa form is a dhamma, the helper alif also gets dhamma. If it is fatah or kasra, the helper alif gets kasra. Anta unsur, antuma unsura, antum unsuru, anti unsuri, antuma unsura, antunna unsurna, unsur unsura, unsuru, unsuri, unsura, unsurna. Anta, start off with a normal second person tadhab. Make lightest tadhab. Remove the ta, dhahab. Determine haraka for helper alif. Idhab. Aid antunna. Start Start off with the normal second person. Tansurna. Make lightest. The lightest version of antunna is antunna. So lightest version of tansurna is tansurna. Remove first ta. Nasurna. Determine haraka for helper alif. Unsurna. Learn anti. Start off with the normal second person. Tata'allamina. Make lightest. Tata'allami. Remove first ta. Ta'allami. No need for helper alif. Ta'allami. Note that helper alif is not pronounced when reading Quran if there is a word before it. Also note the commands in Aslama family. This family you will learn in your self-study begins with a Hamza. This is the only exception to the rules mentioned above. We will learn more about this family when we study Sarf. For now, know that if a fail rhyme with Aslama in past tense and Yuslimu in the present tense, it is from the Aslama family. Antum want. Start off with the normal second person. Tunziruna. Make lightest. Tunziru. Remove ta. Naziru and add Aslama family Hamza Anziru. Abnormal sentence structure. All the rules of abnormal sentence structure that apply to the Madi past tense also apply to the Mudare and Amr. There is however one structure in particular that occurs with Al-Fail al-Mudare and Fail al-Amr and does not occur with Al-Fail al-Madi. When it comes to Al-Fail al-Mudare and Fail al-Amr, it is possible to move the Maf'ul Bihi before the fail even if the maf'ul bihi is pronoun. This is done through the use of placeholder ija. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. We worship you alone and we rely on you alone. The placeholder is also used when doing atf or a pronoun onto another pronoun. Nahnu narzukuhum wa iyyakum. We will provide for them and for you all. Noon at-tawqid. Another structure that is not relevant to fail al-madi and occurs only with mudare and nahi is the noon of emphasis. Noon at-tawqid. This is the noon which is attached to the end of fail mudare to emphasize the action. It is often emphasized by lam at-tawqid. Note that a fail that has noon at-tawqid will always translate in the future tense. Al-fail al-mudari al-muakkad. To add one level of emphasis to fail al-mudari, one noon is added to the end of fail. This is known as noon at-tawqid al-khafifa, the light noon of emphasis. To add two levels of emphasis to fail mudare, two noon are added. This is known as noon at-tawqid al-thaqaliyya, the heavy noon of emphasis. The light noon of emphasis only occurs twice in the Quran, while the heavy noon of emphasis occurs countless times. For this reason, we will focus on that. The frequently used forms are highlighted. Familiarize yourself with them. Huwa yansuranna, Huma yansurani, hum yansurunna, hiya tansuranna, huma tansurani, hunna yansurnani, anta tansuranna, antuma tansurani, antum tansurunna, anti tansurinna, antuma tansurani, antunna tansurnani, ana ansuranna, nahnu nansuranna. Notice that when the original fail has a vaw as a part of the ending hum, antum, it is placed with a dhamma when the noon is added. When our original ends in a dhamma, huwa, hiya, anta, ana, nahnu, it is replaced with a fatha when noon is added. Pay attention to the first letter of the fail as well as the last haraka to figure out the inside pronoun. La nukhrijannakum min ardina aw la ta'udunna fi millatina. We will definitely expel you all from our land, or you all will definitely come back to our religion. Notice the haraka before noon at-tawqid. Notice how it is fatha on the lanukhrijanna, meaning the original was dhamma, and the dhamma on la ta'udunna, meaning the original was vaw. Fail an-nahi al-muakkada. The nahi can be emphasized to convey the meaning don't you dare for the second person. It will translate as don't you dare, and for the third person it will be translated as X should not at all. The fail is constructed the same way as mudare, present tense, and a la is added before it. Anta la tansuranna, antuma la tansurani, antum la tansurunna, anti la tansurinna, अंतुमा ला तंसुरानी अंतुन्ना ला तंसुरनानी वला तहसबन्नल्लाह गाफिलन अम्मा यामलुज़ ज़ालिमून. Do not dare think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is unaware of the wrongdoers. فَلَا تَغُرَنَّكُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا. The lowest life should not at all deceive you all. Distinguish between asma and af'al. We have completed basic asma and af'al, so now we can distinguish between asma and fail just by looking at the word, regardless of whether we know definition or not. Use the following tips to help you distinguish between the two: al-fail and al-ism. An ism can take tanween or al or round ta. A fail cannot. An ism rarely ends in a sakoon. Some forms of fail end in sakoon. If it ends in yanun or wawnun, the first letter is something other than ta or ya, it is an ism. If it ends in yanun or wawnun and the first letter is ya or ta, it is an fail. If comes after a harful jar or a harful nasab or a special mudaf, it is an ism. If it comes after a harful nasiba lil mudare or harful jazima or qad or sa or sawfa, it is a fail. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.